I have a lot of structure parts left over from years of kit building. I'm looking through some of them here to see if I can find suitable windows and ventilation vents for the building front. I found some I think will work. I need to cut out these window openings so I can lay this onto the plastic and cut it out. Before I mark and cut the window openings, I need to mark the perimeter of the building and then cut the plastic down to form the basic shape of the building front. I have darkened these pencil lines with ink so I can see them better, how to cut them out. Another thing we'll do is put the corrugated sheets over the top of this. And glue those layers together with the windows in between, like that. So we'll see how that goes. I use a glass marking pencil that works very well on slick surfaces like glass and plastic. I will put the pencil in the description and tag the product in the video if I can find a link to it. I use a simple X-Acto type blade to cut out the openings. Now let's make sure everything fits in the openings. Now I will cut out the window openings in the corrugated plastic. I am now ready to glue the corrugated plastic to the front of the flat plastic. This will give the building flat a little more thickness and stiffen everything up a little bit. It's best to paint everything before assembling windows and vents, etc. to the building flat. I fabricated the coal chute out of a piece of clear pine. Starting with a 1x2, I ripped the piece down to size on a small table saw and then sanded it smooth. Now I can check the new coal chute for proper fit to the building flat. Off camera, I made another CAD drawing of the large window grids, then printed it onto water slide decal paper I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I'm gluing the windows to the back of the plastic with art glitter glue. It looks like we have a good fit for the sign area. I am concerned that the sign decals will not take the shape of the very small corrugations in the plastic. So I've fabricated a thin piece of flat plastic to apply the sign decals to. This is tricky. I must place the sign decals very carefully while referencing the photo of the building to make sure the signage is in the correct place. I made the red sign border with strip styrene and glued it in place with super glue. I weathered the entire face of the building with black wash and dry brushed on some rust streaks.